Okay, here we are, much more light. Basically, I just moved upstairs, opened a few windows. It's much easier to see the machine now. Um, I guess pardon the mess in the background, but the important stuff here is we can go over the parts. Actually, a nice looking machine. XMachines logo on one side. Lorei. I'd like to know how you pronounce that. On the front, little LCD display and a knob. Down here at the bottom, yeah, I've got a Duo. I think they're only shipping the Duos right now, so you can see a little bit of that Bowden setup. And then if we swing around back, a couple extruders. There's an inductive leveling sensor. Okay. Mine's got a flexible coupler that's in pretty cockeyed shape, actually. I'll have to have a look, see if I can straighten that guy out. Other news, okay, this is a heated build plate. It's metal. It's got metal clips on the edge. It's actually got a piece of glass on top of it as shipped. Came wrapped in bubble wrap in a separate box. It's 2 layers, metal and then glass. Pretty thick glass, so that should be pretty flat. Let's see. Came with pretty short USB cable. I've got some experience with 3D printers, so I probably, well, first of all, I mean, it's a standard USB cable, so I'll probably just swap a longer one in. But I've got a fair amount of experience. I prefer using the SD card for that, as opposed to using direct USB connection. This is the power cable that goes from the power supply to the printer, and that's got a 4-pin DIN connector of some sort. This is a standard US power connector. I don't know if they'll be including country appropriate ones or not, and it goes to 3 spade connectors that'll have to be hooked to the power supply. Here's the power supply unit. This is 24 volts output at 6.25 amps. So this guy is, somebody can help me out with figure out the wattage, 150 watts or thereabouts. I have to admit, I'm not real fond of, it's pretty lightweight. It feels, dare I say, a little inexpensive. But it should get the job done, at least till I get a heated bed. I have a non-heated Duo, and as I think we've mentioned in the comments, probably don't want a heated one over time. Comes with 3 Allen keys. These are just for assembly. They're okay, decent quality, I suppose. Ball heads on one side, that's pretty nice. And then this is the Y-axis, and this is the major assembly we're going to have to do to get this guy hooked up. And I'll do a separate video with that. And then we have 3 screws, 1 long one, 2 shorter ones, and those are going to put the Y-axis onto the printer.